Yeah, I am also pretty well. Thank you for asking. How is your day shaping?
Yeah, my day is today is not productive. Somehow, like on rest mode.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's happened to every homemaker, miss, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so okay, so we know to each other, but for sake of audience, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Let me introduce myself. Yeah, give me one. Okay. My name is Nilada Bharadwaj and I'm hail from Delhi. I am a homemaker and I have been teaching since last 10 years. If you talk about my qualification, I did my master's in political science and completed B.Ed also and clarify CETR paper too. Yeah, nowadays I'm eagerly learning this language and also yes, like connect with the people. This is my nowadays my passion. Yeah, all about me in a nutshell, Kirti.
Yeah, so let me introduce myself. My name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a proud homemaker as well as mother of one kid. So I have a plethora of hobbies, but nowadays I indulge myself to learn this language. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel. My channel name is Learn English with Kirti.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So let's break the ice.
Yeah, sure.
So I have a topic about the knowledge. So we will discuss that topic.
Yeah.
So, what is knowledge and how can it change a person's life?
Yeah, like knowledge is a huge thing, like consists in a one word a lots of thing inside them. Like when you have a knowledge and after that you have prepare each and everything in your life. Without knowledge, like that is not possible. Somehow related your skills, also related your anything social aspect, a lot of thing in your life. First of all, you have a no knowledge about anything, then how to survive your life. That's why like knowledge is very important aspect for us surviving and also for how to succeed and how to face any problem in our life. Without knowledge we can't face and not we are overcome our fear also.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you. Means without knowledge, we cannot survive, right? Because if we have a knowledge, so we can easily handle all the daunting situations comes in our life. So, and that time we are bravely face that challenges and yeah, you are telling right means there are lots of aspects we have to fulfill and we without any knowledge we cannot means we can work but I think with if we have a knowledge so we will in the right direction we have a understanding also how to solve that situations.
Situation, yeah.
Yeah, so in social means in social world also in family also anywhere.
Yes, yes, you're right. Like somehow when we start any business, and before
Yes,
that we have no knowledge about the business. So how do we run our business? And
yes,
somehow like, you and me also run our YouTube channel, and without knowledge, like not success, we are not successful. That is the initial thing in our starting anything.
yes,
First of all, we have
yeah,
not.
we are starting anything just like means we have to start business, yeah, we have to gain any skill so so we need knowledge actually without knowledge we cannot do anything.
Do anything. Yeah, right.
Yeah, so do you think knowledge is powerful than money?
Yeah, because like somehow whenever you have no knowledge and you have a money and how to use your money and how to productive your money and how to gain something for your in your life without knowledge. Like first of all, it's, like example, you start your business, anything related, anything, but somehow you have a lots of money, but you have a no knowledge at that time how to run your business without knowledge. Like money is nothing.
Yes. Yeah, means if we have a knowledge and we have a money also, so we will progress in our life.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if we have a lots of money but we don't have a knowledge how to spend money and how to utilize that money,
I
So
said.
definitely it is a waste for us, because uh, if would we talk about the business, yeah, family also.
Hmm.
So it is a very important. Yeah, money is also important. It is no brainer that means money is not important. But if you we have a money, so how to spend that money? So
Hmm.
without knowledge, we cannot utilize money in the proper way, right? Sometimes we have we have a lots of money and we don't have knowledge. So where should we invest our money?
Invest our money. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so that is the more I think challenging part, means everyone gain knowledge to anyhow, means any people in yeah, any means videos anywhere, means you are gaining knowledge, so that is the good things for us.
Yeah, like also we can we can take an example of Ratan Tata. Like he
Yes,
had lots of knowledge also. Then after that, lots of money. Then after that, he become a millionaires.
yes.
Well, that is the knowledge. Also working when we when we use both our knowledge and money. Then after that, yeah, very progressive thing in our life.
Yeah, definitely. So, how has learning English, new skills, increased our knowledge and confidence?
Yeah, like you okay, like you asking like how to English enhancing our confidence and
Knowledge.
knowledge. Yeah, like nowadays everywhere whenever you go, like malls also and market also, restaurant also, anything where you have go through with the English language because English is a global language. But somehow when you have like speaking English, you have a good command on English, then after that definitely you have a you gain a confidence also, right?
Yes.
After that you have a confidence and you have a good command on English, you have a new opportunity for your career also. That's why you
Yes.
generate a money for survive and also fulfill your dreams with the help of knowledge, with the help of money. Then after that, yeah, definitely with English.
Yeah, means I totally agree with you, because if we are learning English, okay, so we go anywhere like malls, yeah, we meet any people also. They are working in the company, and also sometimes we don't have a knowledge and speaking skill. So that time we always keep ourself beside, right? That time we always keep our side in back seat. So, if we know how to communicate with people and we know English, so it means it gains our confidence also. Means that time we feel okay. Now I have a courage to connect with people, right?
Yes.
And I think we talk about means our daily life also, means like we are going for school for in PTM, yeah, means we are going hospital nowadays. Everybody is speaking in English, so it is indispensable for everyone, I think.
Yeah, yeah. At that time, we handle in a very proper manner.
Yeah.
And somehow, whenever we have a need a job,
Yes.
need something nowadays, this is mandatory, but earlier was not. But
Yeah.
nowadays, you have a great knowledge about your subject. Then after that, you have a good command in English, and
Yes.
you have a very
Because if you know the skill and you don't know how to express our thoughts in front of people, so that skill is also waste, right? That time we always think afraid, and means sometimes we think about the perplex. We also in perplex also how to give the answer and how to connect the people. So that time we
yeah,
are
yes.
confused about that.
Yes, and at that time we feel also this is very daunting task. This is not a
Yes,
RT, but somehow when we have a good command and also we speak well, that is very easy for us. Like we also can say, na like the idiom is perfect for like it's like piece of cakers.
yes. Okay, so can knowledge help us make decision in difficult situation?
Yeah, most of the time also, but somehow when we feel frustrated and demotivated, at that time we are lost our emotions also. That's why, like in these situation, we also we can say knowledge is not perfect. Somehow when we go through with the problem in our life, like some obstacles in our life, at that time, yeah, knowledge definitely help us. Like somehow you have a great degrees and great knowledge about their subject also, but somehow when we go through with some problems, a financial problem, but somehow at that time you have a knowledge like computer knowledge, anything soft spoken knowledge you have, then after that you use your knowledge, and after that you overcome your financial situation. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, means one second. Actually, my health is not good, so sometimes, nowadays weather is changing, so I have a cough and cold.
Okay, okay, that's yeah.
Yeah, means I totally agree with you. Means it is a no-brainer that means if we have a knowledge, and then that time we have to take a better decision. Means if any challenging situation will come in our life, so that time we are uh, always strong, and we think that situation, and we have to take a decision about that,
Yeah,
because
you're
we have a knowledge, and that time we will not afraid. Because we think, okay, I have a knowledge, so anyhow we have to manage that situation.
yeah.
And yeah, means and I think if we talk about the taking decisions, so it is important. And yeah, and other thing means we have any knowledge, and that time any people will want help also, so we have to give the advice also,
Yeah,
right?
yes, yeah, yeah, I
Yes.
totally agree with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
so you have any questions, so you can also
Yeah,
ask to
okay.
me.
Like whenever you have a chance in your life, like you choose knowledge and money, which thing you first you choose?
Definitely I would choose first knowledge, because you know if we gain knowledge, so over the period we have to earn the money.
Yeah.
Money will comes and goes, but
Mm-hmm.
no, if we have a knowledge, so knowledge always keep in our mind in lifelong,
Yeah, you are
right?
right. Yes. Yeah.
So
It's like
it is better to gain the knowledge. We don't think about the money.
money, yes.
Yes.
Because like whenever you have a knowledge and you use your knowledge very wisely, then after that definitely you earn a lot of money.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yes. So, how do you spend your time, means to learning this language?
Yeah, actually nowadays when I because I started my journey last 6 months, and last 2 months I'm totally consistent with this language. Somehow nowadays like I'm focusing only the listening and more speaking. That is the beneficial for me. I also feel this one, but also like next month I will start my speaking and writing also, because somehow a reading, then after that when we read something, then also we learn a new vocabulary and how to pronounce the word, and also we learn structure of how to make a structure, good structure. That's how we learn. Next month I will start my reading and writing part.
Yeah, because every means fluency will come actually. Means if we give the time and we are consistent about that, so definitely one day fluency will achieve. But over the period, we have to gain the vocabulary, and we have to work on the sentence structure and accuracy also. It is a very important
Very important,
part.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, yes.
So mostly, what do you do for?
For utilize my time
Yes.
and like human speaking. Okay, like nowadays also I'm learn because whenever you speak someone at the time, earlier was I'm not into like topic discussion and anything storytelling, but yeah, nowadays I'm take initiative for my enhancing my English speaking journey. Like somehow when I connect like Konala, at that time I'm try to discussing topic and vocabulary and using idioms also. But earlier
Yes.
was I'm not into idioms. Yeah, but nowadays I'm start the learning of idioms. Somehow whenever I use, because like basic English we have no need any idioms. But somehow when we connect the like advanced speaker and like, whenever we need, at that time yeah, at least I'm able to converse and also use like idioms in my communication skills.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Means if we learn how to speak over the time, we have to work on the vocab also, and we have to enhance our vocabulary also and
Mm-hmm.
pronunciation also.
Yeah, pronunciation. So automatically in our communication skills, when we go through with this language, then after that definitely automatically, because when we listen and grab a knowledge also.
So, do you read book?
No, actually now not now, but yeah, next month I will start, because like reading is very monotonous task for me. That's why I'm not used. But somehow like lots of people say, because as a beginner when I started at that time I'm not into reading, but
Yes.
yeah, like next month I will start reading
So, do
some
you
books.
think means better communication help us to connect with people?
Mm-hmm, yeah, you like this is right, but somehow like without English, we also survive. But when we like grow in your future, in related your career also, at that time you have need English. That is
Yes.
yeah, that is the truth.
Okay, so how can a person improve their decision making skill?
Yeah, decision making. Like first of all, we first already we discussed about the knowledge. Like you have build your knowledge power and build your thinking and decision making power. First of all, you have a knowledge. Then after that, you are able to like decision good decision maker,
Yes,
because we
yeah,
don't know
definitely.
how to make decision, because somehow when we curious about anything nowadays, also we first of all we search on like lots of like nowadays resources like YouTube and lots of things, Google also. Then after that we also, yeah, that is good. Then after that we decide this is good for us and this is not. Nowadays also lots of things on, like when we buy something furniture and TV also, lots of things. First of all we like check on Google, then after that we take decision, yeah, this is good or not, this is worth it and this is not.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Means if we are taking good decisions, so definitely it is important to enhance our knowledge,
Yeah,
right?
he's right.
Yeah. So you have any other questions? So,
No, right now no questions.
what advice do you want to give to others learners? How to
Okay,
start their journey?
yeah, okay. Like also I'm go through with this journey earlier was, but at that time suggesting you like anyone who started their journey with the zero, you have no worry about your grammar, you have no worry about people how to judge you and how they laugh on you. This is not a big thing. The first of all like you have take decision, you start speaking, at least you broken English start. Then after that automatically you learn also. But first of all you start, take your step, first step, like out of your comfort zone, and put your heart and put your soul into this learning this language. And after that like automatically you also recognize, no one recognize your progress, you also recognize by yourself. That is the progress, that is the like confidence you feel also. But first of all you take start like start is the speaking. First of all you start speaking, that is very
Yes.
good thing. Somehow you also follow, like after that follow the four aspect LSRW. That is very good. Yeah.
Yes, fair enough. Means I am agree with you, whatever you are saying. If someone wants to start their journey, so definitely just we don't follow the means other people. Just you have to focus on your goal only.
On goal,
So
yeah.
yeah, means if we burn midnight oil and we are very active and focused
That,
on our goals, so definitely we will achieve. Because
yeah.
people will come and go, people laughed at us, but it is no matter what people are saying, just we have to follow our dreams.
Yes, because their problem now. This is not our problem. Because when we grow something, then after that naturally we feel confident. Then after that, what are people saying in front and back? Like in front and back, like all people backbiting us. That is not a good like big matter in our life. First of all, we stick with our goal. That is the like real progress.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Okay, so we have to wrap up the session because I have a work also. But it's nice to talk with you.
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
Geeta.
day. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Bye. Bye.